The all-new iPhone 16 Pro has arrived. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro brings a sleek, lightweight titanium frame that feels premium in hand. But which one do you prefer, Apple's refined elegance or Android's futuristic aesthetics? Comment below. Apple's A18 Pro Chip is a beast. Optimized with Apple Intelligence, it handles AI tasks like a champ. 48 MP cameras, Pro RAW. And the best 4K cinematic video. Apple goes all in on professional photography. iPhone 16 Pro boasts an all-day battery. Apple's unmatched ecosystem AirDrop, iMessage, and Universal Clipboard. But is it worth locking into one brand? So, after all these tests, who wins? Is the iPhone 16 Pro the ultimate choice, or does Android still hold the crown? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Clayful Tour,